Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses. So in today's video, I'm going to clarify a universal doubt of fraction, percent and decimal. Now, if you have heard some of the videos, I always say that all three of them are used to represent part of a number, right? And in a sense, they are similar thing, yeah? Fraction, percent or decimal, right? They represent the same thing in various forms. Fraction will be just a number divided by another number. Let's say, let's write it together, right? So let's say 5 out of 10, that's a fraction. When I have to convert it to percent, the same thing becomes 50%. And when I have to convert it to a decimal, it becomes 0.5. Now, in a mathematical operation, which one of these you use won't make any difference. But what is more important is to understand that all three of them are related to each other, right? And let me show you how. Okay, so we will do a few examples together, and if there are any questions, post it on the comments and I will try to answer it, right? So let's start. So for example, if you have been given a number, let's say 75% now, okay? If I have to write it as a fraction, you remember how we write it? We change this percent into per and cent. So I write 75%. Cool, right? And then this becomes a fraction. And then if I want to solve it further, you remember the simplification method, I can simplify it to 3/4. Yeah, that's way. And now if I have to convert it into a fraction, now look at this, sorry, not fraction, we already converted it. This is the fraction, but now if I have to convert it into decimal, do you remember what we do when we have 100 as a denominator? We just add, because 100 has two zeros, we make two decimal places with the numerator. So I write 0.75 and I give two decimal places, so 0.75. Right? Straightforward, pretty straightforward, isn't it? Let's do some more examples and let's try to switch what we have and what we will find out, okay? Okay, so in this, now let's have a look on how we do the conversion. So as you see, in the first one, I have taken a decimal, I will change it into percent, and I will also change it into a fraction. So in the second one, I have taken a percent and I will change it into a decimal, and I will change it into a fraction. And in the third one, we have a fraction, which we will change to percent and decimal respectively. Okay, now simple, very simple method of doing it that I'm showing you. Let's say we have to convert this 0.4 to a fraction first, right? So what do you do when there is one decimal place on with the numerator? What should happen to the denominator? I can write the denominator as 4/10, right? You can simplify it, you can leave it like that, that's totally your call, but that's what it is. Okay, now if you remember, I told you to convert any, in one of the older videos, as I don't remember, but to convert any fraction into percent, just multiply it by 100. So if you multiply it by 100, 1 0 can cancel 1 0, and 4 times 10 will be 40%. Yeah, and let's take this away from here because otherwise it should not confuse us. So 0.4 as a percent can be written as 40%, or as a fraction can be written as 4/10. Cool. Let's move on to the next one. 60%. Again, 60%. So let's write 60% together. 60%. That's a fraction. You can simplify it further, you can leave it at that, that's gonna be your call. But if I have to simplify it further, it will come to 3/5. Okay? And when I have to convert it into a decimal, now there are two zeros at the bottom, so there should be two decimal places here, right? So it will become 0.60 or just 0.6. Easy, right? Going cool, right? Last one, 2/5. I would like you to try yourself. Try it, and if you don't find it, we will see. So 2 over 5, actually 2 over 5 is equal to 4 over 10. So these two are totally same. So if I divide 2 with a 5, I should get 0.4. Okay, and when I have to write this 0.4 as percent, I can write 40%. Was easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.